Many buyers confuse cheap with affordable. A low purchase price does not always mean low ownership costs, and an expensive-looking motorcycle is not always built to last. Today, MotoBooster investigates 7 budget motorcycles that continue feeling solid, reliable, and enjoyable even after 10,000 miles of real-world riding, and explains why they are worth every dollar. Number 7. CFMOTO 450 NK. Can an affordable Chinese motorcycle truly compete with established Japanese brands after 10,000 miles? Starting at approximately $5,399, this machine is driven by a responsive 449cc parallel twin engine, pushing 50 horsepower, a wet weight of 364 pounds, and a 3.7-gallon fuel tank, challenging traditional market norms by offering exceptional baseline hardware for budget-conscious riders. After 10,000 miles of aggressive commuting and weekend canyon carving, the chassis and handling remain remarkably composed, though early concerns regarding long-term paint and fastener finish quality require routine anti-corrosion care in wet climates. Seat comfort over time proves surprisingly adequate for daily urban use, while the digital TFT electronics durability holds up well against unexpected weather exposure and summer heat. Expanding dealer and parts support networks have steadily improved used bike value, turning initial buyer skepticism into genuine long-term ownership confidence. Strong resale value means the true cost of ownership stays remarkably low, reinforcing why this motorcycle is genuinely affordable rather than merely inexpensive. Number 6. Kawasaki Eliminator 450. Does simple engineering make it a better long-term budget cruiser? Starting at approximately $6,649, this cruiser is driven by a dependable Ninja-based 451cc parallel twin engine, delivering 52 horsepower, a wet weight of 388 pounds, and a practical 3.4-gallon fuel tank, stripping away unnecessary cruiser complexity to focus purely on mechanical endurance. The lightweight trellis frame and twin-shock rear suspension maintain their structural integrity past the 10,000-mile mark, offering consistent ride comfort without premature sagging or structural fatigue. Finish quality and chrome durability noticeably outshine traditional budget rivals, keeping corrosion at bay during four-season commuting and winter road salt exposure. Reliability remains exemplary with minimal maintenance costs, while ubiquitous parts availability ensures hassle-free servicing at any local shop. Used bike confidence is exceptionally high because the proven engine architecture shares core components with mainstream Kawasaki platforms. Stable secondary market demand preserves its worth over time, proving that genuine financial sustainability goes hand in hand with low initial overhead. Number 5. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Can old-school simplicity outlast modern technology? Starting at approximately $4,899, this machine is equipped with a bulletproof 349cc air-oil-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing roughly 20 horsepower and 20 pound-feet of torque, a wet weight of 421 pounds, and a 4.0-gallon fuel tank, prioritizing mechanical durability over outright speed. Build quality surprisingly defies its low price point, showing impressive paint and chrome durability even when exposed to harsh environmental elements, provided it receives basic washing. Comfort over time remains high thanks to a plush, low-slung touring seat that cushions daily commutes effortlessly, though suspension travel is naturally limited on rough back roads. Reliability is legendary among high-mileage commuters, backed by exceptionally low maintenance costs and globally abundant spare parts availability. Used bike value stays remarkably stable because ongoing market demand for unpretentious, easy-to-fix machinery continues to climb. Predictable depreciation curves ensure that your initial layout retains its purchasing power, confirming its status as a truly economical long-term investment. Number 4. Suzuki SV650. Why does the SV650 continue to be one of the safest used motorcycles to buy? Starting at approximately $8,149. At its heart lies the legendary 645cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, producing 75 horsepower and 47 pound-feet of torque, a wet weight of 437 pounds, and a 3.8-gallon fuel tank. Decades of continuous factory refinement mean chassis durability and engine longevity are virtually bulletproof past 10,000 and even 50,000 miles of hard use. Seat comfort is adequate for daily use, though though long-distance touring benefits immensely from an aftermarket seat upgrade. Maintenance costs are minimal thanks to easy access to oil filters and spark plugs, while aftermarket and OEM parts availability is second to none in the industry. Resale value holds exceptionally strong because new riders and track day enthusiasts constantly scour classifieds for clean, unmolested units. Because market demand stays perpetually high, selling it years later recovers a massive chunk of your initial cash layout, driving down the real cost of ownership. Number 3. Yamaha MT-07. Why does this budget naked bike still feel premium years later? Starting at approximately $8,199, this motorcycle is powered by the charismatic 689cc CP 2 parallel twin engine, delivering 73 horsepower and 50 pound-feet of torque, a nimble wet weight of 406 pounds, and a 3.7-gallon fuel tank, delivering unmatched real-world fun that does not fade with age. Frame durability and paint finish quality hold up brilliantly past 10,000 miles, resisting premature weathering better than most direct-class competitors. Suspension performance, while historically soft from the factory, settles into a predictable rhythm that owners easily live with or upgrade cheaply using readily available aftermarket kits. Reliability is bulletproof, supported by a massive aftermarket support ecosystem for both performance parts and cosmetic crash protection. Used bike value remains remarkably robust due to massive global demand across multiple rider demographics. Strong secondary market retention ensures minimal depreciation shock, proving that affordable fun can also be a financially sound choice. Number 2. Honda NX500. Is this Honda the smartest all-around budget motorcycle available today? Starting at approximately $7,399, this crossover is driven by a willing 471cc parallel twin engine, putting out 47 horsepower and 32 pound-feet of torque, a wet weight of 432 pounds, and a 4.6-gallon fuel tank, mastering both everyday economy and cross-country versatility. Outstanding fuel economy exceeding 65 miles per gallon pairs with exceptional long-distance comfort and upright ergonomics to drastically slash touring overhead. Reliability after 10,000 hard miles remains utterly uncompromised, showing zero mechanical fatigue or electrical gremlins during routine inspections. Maintenance costs stay exceptionally low due to long valve check intervals, and global parts availability is guaranteed by Honda's massive supply chain. Resale value stays high because practical crossover machines are perpetually sought after by pragmatic riders. Exceptional fuel efficiency combined with rock-solid resale metrics guarantees a remarkably low cost per mile over years of reliable service. Number 1. Honda NC750X. Does this motorcycle deliver the lowest real cost of ownership in the entire adventure category? Starting at approximately $9,499, this machine is equipped with an innovative 745cc low center of gravity parallel twin engine, producing 58 horsepower and 51 pound-feet of torque, a wet weight of 493 pounds, and a 3.7-gallon fuel tank nestled under the seat, completely redefining utility. Exceptional fuel economy, often topping 70 miles per gallon, combines with a brilliant integrated storage compartment where the traditional gas tank goes, eliminating the need for bulky luggage on daily runs. Reliability after 10,000 miles is staggering. Engines routinely cross high-mileage milestones with nothing more than basic fluid changes and general inspections. Maintenance costs are minimal, parts availability is stellar, and high-mileage ownership experiences consistently highlight rock-solid mechanical dependability. Resale value remains exceptionally stable because commuters and budget tourers recognize its unique practical value. Exceptional fuel savings, minimal running costs, and bulletproof resale retention cement its status as the ultimate masterclass in true financial efficiency. True affordability is not measured by the number on the price tag. It is measured by years of dependable ownership, low running costs, and the confidence to keep riding without constant repairs. These 7 motorcycles prove that buying smart often beats buying cheap. Which one would you trust with your money? Subscribe for the next MotoBooster investigation.